said in one narration that his name may have been Azazel, and in another narration he said it had been Al-Harith. Ibn Abbas also said that Iblis was a jinn and that they had once been the keepers of paradise, with Iblis the most honorable and the most learned and the most pious of them. Another tradition says that he had been one of the famous four possessors of wings, angels, before Allah transformed him into the accursed Satan. Allah Almighty recounts Iblis's disobedience in another surah. Remember when your Lord said to the angels, "Truly I am going to create man from clay. So I have fashioned him and breathed into him his soul created by me. Then you fall down prostrate to him." So the angels prostrated themselves, all of them.